Here is what dating is like in 5 countries around the world. Fed up with your local dating scene? If so, you are almost certainly not alone. Dating related fatigue and frustration are common among single but trying to mingle people. And with certain aggravating dating trends becoming increasingly common like benching and stashing, it's not hard to imagine why. If that's the case for you, you may want to take some dating tips from other countries. Maybe you'll find that the laid back date style of people in Sweden or the structured dating rules of Japan give more with your expectations. Obviously, there is no way to accurately describe the experiences of every single person who has ever been. So these are all generalizations. All the same, they can help paint a picture of the overall idea of what you might expect should you go on date during your next global adventure. Here is what dating is like in 5 different countries around the world. Dating in United States is usually casual. People in America tend to meet potential romantic partners by one of 3 ways: at a bar, through friends, or from an app. According to a Reddit thread on the subject, first dates are often casual, meeting at a bar or a coffee shop and some of the most popular options, and get more formal, adding dinner and events into the mix as time goes on. Dating is also often low commitment in the States. It's more common, especially in one's early 20s, to be dating just for fun that it's to be dating with the intention to get married ASAP. In China, dating schools for men are a rising trend. That's really something unique. China has a hefty gender imbalance. In 2016, there were 33.6 million more men than women in the country, which unsurprisingly takes a toll on men who seek out heterosexual relationship. Because of this, dating schools for men who have never been in a romantic relationship have begun to crop up in China, according to the New York Times. Speed dating events for single men and women in their late 20s and early 30s, who are generally thought of as being leftovers in Chinese culture, have also become common. That's something interesting. In Japan, group dates are very common. When a person enters the dating scene in Japan, it is understood that the ultimate goal for everyone involved is marriage, according to Quora. Some people go about this is partaking in guakon or a small singles gathering, as Insider previously reported. Gyukons occur when the person invites a few of their friends, single friends, out and another person invites a few of theirs. Then the group will meet at a restaurant or pub and have dinner. If everything goes smoothly, they might go to the bar or karaoke after dinner. And if that goes well, the couples that hit off will exchange numbers. Dating in Sweden revolves around a lot of casual coffee dates. If you are looking to move to Sweden, especially to find love, you may want to recognize, according to BBC, Sweden is one of the hardest places to find a romantic partner because of the country's many culture norms, such as affordable single living homes and a general spirit of independence that seems to promote staying single. That said, dating in Sweden is not impossible. It does, however, have different rules than other countries. According to the local, the best way to be successful at dating in Sweden is it keep it casual. Don't call anything. You do a date. Swedes apparently prefer simple coffee, outing to dinner and movies, and start and end the hangout with a hug, not a kiss. Couples in Mexico tend to engage in a decent amount of PDA. According to our everyday life, people in Mexico tend to stick to more traditional gender roles, which for people in heterosexual relationships is reflected in their dating life. Men make the first move, men favor the woman on dates, and men make the follow-ups to ensure that there will be more dates. Mexicans are also more affectionate and prone to PDA than some other countries, which means that it's not uncommon to see couples kissing and holding hands in public. That's really amazing thing. Guys, please hit the like button and share this video with all of your friends, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell notification.